Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center tracking Henri, and we just had an update just a couple of minutes ago on the track of the storm, Tony.
Yeah, that's right. New information just coming in from the National Hurricane Center, and it starts with a forecast track that continues to trend further west. In other words, the center of the storm making landfall across Long Island and Connecticut. And with that said, the hurricane warning has been issued for coastal Connecticut. Take a look. This just came down. The area in darker red, coastal Connecticut, Long Island, New York, it is now a hurricane warning, meaning that conditions continue to increase, or probabilities continue to increase for hurricane conditions in the areas in darker red. The rest of the area, it is a hurricane watch, meaning hurricane conditions are possible. Now, the warning goes all the way up to the Connecticut-Rhode Island border, just outside of Westerly. So that, that tells us that certainly hurricane, warnings could be issued down the road for our south shore. But for now, it is for coastal Connecticut and Long Island, New York. And I'll show you that new track from the Hurricane Center in just a second. In fact, we'll take you down. It's about 800 miles to the south of Block Island. Here is Florida. Getting better organized. It's almost at hurricane strength. It's still a tropical storm with winds of 70 miles per hour. It was moving west, then northwest, and now north. So that anticipated turn to the north has started. Now it's 7 miles per hour, and that motion, that direction, will continue to take it all the way up the East Coast and into southern New England. So this is brand new. So to give you some perspective, I mean, just a couple of days ago, 2-3 days ago, the track was out towards Cape Cod. Yesterday, the track was closer to Newport, and then this morning, the track near Westerly, and now the track. And this represents the center of the storm. Not the storm has width, but as far as where the middle of the storm goes, the center, crossing over the Twin Forks of Long Island Sunday afternoon as a Category 1 hurricane, and then crossing Long Island Sound. So this is, I say, 50 miles west of of Westerly and the Rhode Island border. So what does that mean? Well, what it does is it shifts, the different weather parameters that are possible. So quite simply, a track further to the west for us means more in the way of wind, more in the way of storm surge, some coastal flooding, but less in terms of flooding rain. Whereas a track further to the west puts dangerous rainfall amounts further west into Connecticut. So just because the track has trended further west doesn't mean that we're out of the woods as far as any high impact weather. It just means that the rain chances, the flooding rain chances are decreasing, but the wind chances continue to be significant. So as far as the probability of tropical storm force winds, and these are winds, tropical storm forces anywhere from 39 to 73 miles per hour. And this is the probability chart right in here. And you can clearly see we're in that 80 to almost 100% probability of tropical storm force winds, anywhere from 40 to 73 miles per hour. Of course, with a hurricane, we're building waves. So by 11 o'clock Saturday night, huge waves offshore. That wave energy will propagate towards the coastline. Extreme surf, extreme rip currents, both Saturday and into Sunday. More so Sunday, but even on Saturday, we'll start to see at least building waves by the end of the day. And then here we are on Sunday afternoon with that wave energy propagating towards our coastline. So beaches are open tomorrow. The surf will be building, but more so, it's more extreme, obviously, on Sunday. Storm surge forecast, in other words, the rise in ocean level across the coastline, the bay, both Narragansett and Buzzards Bay, anywhere from 3 to 5 feet. And that's the reason for the potential for some coastal flooding. With the storm tracking off to our west, what it means is that the wind is more onshore. In other words, it's taking ocean water and pushing it towards the coastline and up the bay. And that's why we have what is called a storm surge watch, the potential for flooding both on the bays and along the south shore. 7-day forecast. We're doing okay for tomorrow. There's your stormy weather coming up on Sunday, starting as early as Sunday morning. WPRI.com, as always, to get your updated forecast and the latest on Henri.
All right, lots of information to track. Tony, thank you. We have more coverage you can count on coming up after this.